Welcome to this video on what is electrical load. We will analyze power consumption, classification, and the influence of loads on electrical systems. Let's begin by defining the fundamentals of electrical load, which is the core concept of energy consumption in electrical circuits. An electrical load is any circuit component that consumes power. It represents the, quote, demand side, transforming electrical energy into useful forms like heat, light, or mechanical work. In physics, it represents impedance. Loads are categorized by their physical nature into resistive, inductive, and capacitive types. Each influences current flow and power factors differently. Resistive loads are the simplest form, converting energy directly to light and heat without any current surge. Examples include toasters and incandescent bulbs. Inductive loads use magnetic fields for work, causing current to lag voltage. They demand a high initial current or inrush current and are critical for motors and transformers. Capacitive loads and certain industrial loads, like capacitor banks and heavy machinery, are essential. They help neutralize inductive lag and handle high-demand, multi-phase systems. Electrical loads can also be classified by sector, showing how load profiles and consumption patterns change across different applications and environments. Different sectors have distinct load patterns. Domestic loads peak morning and evening. Commercial loads are consistent during business hours. Industrial loads are steady or shift-based, while agricultural loads are often seasonal. Power demand varies significantly by site. A domestic house requires about 15 kilowatts, while a manufacturing plant can exceed 1,500 kilowatts, highlighting the scale differences in energy consumption.